What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So we have another update guys going on in this whole scene of the PS4 slash PS5 jailbreak and what we're expecting for the 9.00 firmware and what's going on here. So there is something that is noteworthy. So of course guys, you know PlayStation has a bug bounty program through HackerOne, and we do see all the updates going on over here and all the vulnerabilities that has been disclosed. So we have two new bug bounties awarded to C-Turd and the Flow. Of course the Flow is Andy Nguyen and we have C-Turd on the PlayStation HackerOne account. So guys, what does this mean? What is actually happening? There's a lot of information. I will be dropping this article in the description. You guys can go check it out in detail. But if you look over here in the HackerOne page under the activity, there's two different bug bounties that's closed just about 16 hours ago and 17 hours ago. One is by C-Turd and the other is by Andy Nguyen, also known as The Flow. He's been awarded $10,000 for this one. If you look at the policies, if you see either for PlayStation 5 or for PlayStation 4, the high is $10,000. This is what we see over here, that Andy Nguyen was awarded $10,000. So this might seem good news in one step ahead, but however, we're not really sure if this is going to be released to the public, and there should be a request for disclosure, and once Sony approves it, and that's when it will be public for us to go ahead and utilize it and make a public jailbreak. If you look over here, it does say it's undisclosed report. Likewise, this is also an undisclosed report. However, looking into Andy Nguyen's Twitter account, we did notice that he did put a clue over here, hashtag 900, would that be 9.00? We're not really sure, but he did drop this on December 2nd, just a little bit after I posted the update 5 video where I talked about what was happening. So this happened right after that. I didn't want to make a video again just to mention this particular tweet, but this does tie along with the little hints Andy Nguyen's been dropping, as well as Nagatoro dropping subtle hints across the scene. And guys, as per my previous video as well, we did notice that 9.03 was out for PS4 and there was an update for the PS5. As mentioned, it was kind of fishy that Sony did not patch anything, but unfortunately, or should I say fortunately, looks like they have fixed something over here. So 9.03 might have fixed a kernel bug exploit in the exFAT file system. Do not update if you want to have some memes, which he also means as a jailbreak. So there are a lot of hints being dropped by Nagatoro as well. Like these other tweets that Nagatoro mentioned, I've heard there's something coming soon to the PS4. Stay put for the season of Jolly. So I've covered this in my previous update. Looks like, or maybe we might be looking into getting something on December 25th, the Christmas day, which is still a very big speculation, guys. Nothing is confirmed. So small subtle hints dropped across the scene. So we did notice Andy Nguyen was specifically focused on the PS5. As you guys can see here, he did go ahead and get the debug settings for the PS5. He completely hacked it, and he did mention that there's no plans for disclosure, no ETA. But we don't know that his essence was mostly about the PS5. So we don't know if Flow actually released a PS5 vulnerability or if it's a PS4 vulnerability, given that he actually tweeted hashtag 900, maybe denoting the 9.00 firmware for the PS4. So likewise with C-Turd, we know that most of his findings were from the PS4 because he did not have a PS5 console. But given that Sony actually sent him a PS5 console on September 11th, mostly around that date, because they're also sending him a PS5 console, which is great because I don't actually have one yet. So now C-Turd actually does have a PS5 console. I'm not sure if he also reported something towards the PS5 or the PS4. So I want to keep you guys updated on what's actually happening in the scene with those releases and all these changes happening. And we're just going to keep being updated about what's actually happening next, and I'm really excited to see what's going to happen next, guys. I'm hopefully, fingers crossed, looking for some disclosure requesting by C-Turd or by the Flow. We're not really sure yet, and we just have to wait. Finally, guys, as this mentions, bottom line is we have to remain patient, and we're going to see what actually unfolds. As usual, I will keep you guys updated, and I will keep posting an update video. We are in number 6 right now, update number 6, so looking forward to update number 7 until the actual thing is launched. But sit tight, guys. Do not update to the 9.03 if you want a jailbreak. Stay on 9.00 or whatever firmware you are on lower than that. Please stay on that, and let's hope for the best, guys. So alright guys, that's about it for this particular video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and drop subscribe, drop a like, and let me know in the comments which firmware you're on. What do you think about this particular closed bug bounty program that's going on with the Flow and C-Turd? Have a great rest of the week. Happy gaming. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Bye-bye.